Welcome back. Today we dive a little deeper on Nexo. If you watch this channel, you know that we like ways to make passive income. In this video, we will show you everything about Nexo, and in the end, we like to share a tool that helps us a lot to decide if we should or shouldn't buy a specific cryptocurrency. Nexo recently updated their website. At first, I didn't like it at all, but after a few days it changed. Now I think it's one of the best and cleanest looking websites in the space. The same goes for their mobile app. I will show it to you later in this video. If you want to open an account, you can choose between iOS or Android. A desktop version is available too. They offer a 10% interest rate. The interest is paid out daily, so it's compounding. Here is some key information about Nexo, to give you an idea of how big this company is at the moment. For me, the most important is that they have $100 million insurance on all custodial assets. That they are EU licensed and have close to 1 million users is great as well. Let's take a look at the earn interest section. You can earn up to 5% on Bitcoin, and up to 10% on stablecoins. What's unique about Nexo is that you can deposit euro or British pounds. That's very nice when you stay in the UK or in Europe. You are super flexible on Nexo. You can withdraw your funds at any time. If you have a smaller bankroll, you can start too. There is no minimum amount required. If you are interested in borrowing cash or stablecoins, you simply deposit crypto as collateral. $500 is the minimum amount you can borrow. What I find really interesting is the Nexo card. You will receive 2% cash back on all your purchases. And there are no monthly or FX fees. The cards haven't been released yet, but I hope they will release them soon. Maybe a good time to buy some Nexo before the release. Like I said before, the mobile app looks really great, and you can manage your funds on the go. I'm going to show you the iOS version later on. But first, let's take a look at what cryptocurrencies you can stake on Nexo. They offer decent lending rates, especially when you consider that you don't have a lockup period. On the downside, they support only the major coins like XRP or Chainlink. The Nexo token has many utilities. In order to get 10% on stable coins and 5% on crypto, you need at least 10% of your wallet value in Nexo tokens. If you don't want to buy Nexo, your rates will drop to 8 and 4%. Which is still fine. If you would like to borrow money, you will get the best rate using Nexo tokens. 30% of profits are paid out to Nexo token holders. It's divided into base dividends and loyalty dividends. The longer you hold your Nexo tokens, the more dividends you will receive. Future utilities are planned as well. For example, higher cashback using the Nexo card. Or higher commissions for affiliate marketing. They paid over $3 million in dividends. And just recently, if we look at their Twitter, they announced that the third dividend is over $6 million. That's a nice growth compared to the last payout. The price of Nexo sits at around 16 cents. It came back down from 23 cents. Now might be a good entry point. Let's take a look at our tool that we like to use to help us make a decision. Tokenmetrics is a research tool and AI software that predicts the price of a cryptocurrency. We have to mention that this is a paid tool, but you can try it 14 days for free. The link is in the description. We will make a tutorial on Tokenmetrics in the next video. If you type in Nexo at the search bar, you will get a lot of information. Today we will only look at the price prediction. The blue line is the predicted price for the next 30 days, and the red line is the actual price. When you look at history, the AI did a very good price prediction. Now it predicts that in the next 30 days the price of Nexo will gradually go down. So we will wait until the end of August to buy more Nexo tokens. Now we are inside my Nexo account. Under transactions, you can find your daily interest. You don't have to do anything. They deposit it every day automatically. On the wallet tab, you find all the cryptocurrencies they support. Overall, this app looks super clean and is very user-friendly. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Let us know in the comments what crypto review you'd like to see next. If we head over to the dashboard, you can find your total amount of interest that you have earned. I have earned $321 so far. It's not a lot, but it's a good start. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.